Hello, kids! Today we are drawing a rocket which will fly us to the space. Let's start! First, I make a rough sketch with a brown pencil. Now, I outline it with a black marker. We will draw lots of stars around our colorful rocket. Then, the top part. The window and two wings for flying. Fire engine at the bottom. Done! Time to color.
Baby colors.
Glitter for the stars. Yellow, orange, and red for the flame. Turquoise for the body and wings. Lavender for the big window. Light orange for the small windows. We will paint the middle part green. Yay! Our colorful rocket is ready. Bye-bye.